Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you the secrets to creating AI image expert prompts. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first thing here, you can open any AI generating softwares like Midjourney, Blue Willow, or Leonardo AI in order for you to generate stunning images like these one using prompts that are used by the experts. So here are a few examples of the images that I've generated with using expert prompts in order for you to be able to create stunning images like these one depending on what image you are trying to create. So the first tip here is to use random letters, numbers, or symbols when generating or when inputting a prompt to generate an image. Even though there is no specific word that you indicate, with the random words that you inputted there, AI will definitely still be able to generate image or stunning images with those words or with those letters that you've inputted. So aside from the numbers and letters that you can randomly input, you can actually incorporate as well in the prompt on what art type of art style you want to incorporate into the image that you want to be generated. And another thing here is you can use juxtaposition as well, where you can incorporate two words, for example, punk and dogs, or you can also incorporate like astra, dogs, those informations or those type of words that you can create. Even though they are not a real word, AI will still be able to generate stunning images like this one here, where it aside from adding or a dog punk as a prompt, I also added a few details like I added the background or what type of lighting I want this to be, or I also added the texture as well, which is really important when you are generating an AI image, since AI will also be able to generate textures like soft, smooth, rough, or scaly, depending on what image you want to achieve. Another thing here is a tip is to incorporate terms or words like beautiful. If you will add that into your prompt, it will definitely provide you images or beautiful images like these ones here. So this is definitely helpful, especially if you are generating images like portraits or if it indicates or if it is um, referring to a model or a person that you want to create a beautiful image that you want to generate. So another thing here is you can incorporate lighting as well. So for example, seamless wildflowers and then glowing, as you can see images or the flowers are glowing in this picture. And you can also incorporate as well or add the prompt that I mentioned earlier, like using random words or random letters and symbols, where and that would definitely still be generated by the AI. Another thing here is creating stunning images like studio portraits like these one. I just have a cat as a model here, where you can definitely incorporate like a portrait of all cats with the studio lighting. You can also incorporate as well the emotion of that specific model that you want to um, generate as well. And you can also input as well one of the easy or the best prompt that I would suggest here is to use emojis when you are inputting a prompt into the AI generating or AI generator. So as you can see, I have an image generated here, but only using emojis like this one. It will provide you the images. It may not be identical to the emojis that you've prompted, but it will provide you the is like a gist or the summary or all of those emojis combined, like the color, the objects or the main objects that you will prompt into the image generator prompt. So those are basically how you will be able to generate stunning images like this. So just to quick recap, you can use words, symbols, numbers, or letters. You can also use words like neon, glowing, or adding a lighting effect into your image generator. And another thing here is you can incorporate styles from different or famous artists or painters like Van Gogh or Leonardo da Vinci. And another thing here is you can also use or make use of the word like two words or creating a word that it may not exist, but you can combine two words that are very different from each other. For example, you want to have a punk dog or a dog or a rock star dog, you can definitely incorporate that as well. And aside from that, you can also indicate as well on what type of background you want to incorporate into your image, and AI will definitely generate that for you. Another tip here is to use words like beautiful or any synonym words that you can use with the word beautiful. And it will provide you stunning images, especially if you are dealing with models or portraits of a human. Another thing here is, like I mentioned earlier, use the word glowing or like the word seamless, and it will provide you images like these one, where it is very it generates you a beautiful image that it will look like it is taken or it was photographed from a real environment. And aside from that, you can also incorporate or add the random words, letters, and symbols into the prompt as well. After you have inputted the prompt, and it will definitely provide you stunning images as well. Another thing here is to incorporate the words like lighting. So you can use either cinematic lighting, studio lighting, or depending on what type of lighting you want to incorporate into the specific subject, into the image that you want to generate. And the next thing here is the use of emojis. This is a very creative way to, or an easy way for you to be able to create stunning images just by using emojis, depending on what type of object or work or image you want to be generated using an AI image generator. And that's basically the secrets of how to create stunning image using AI. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.